So one box of this, which I think was around about 60 quid, has done the whole van, the whole shooting match, everything, doors, sides, wheel arches, everything, even the side door, roof, the lot. Chuffed for that, and the difference is just unbelievable already. That's why they call it dodo mat, because it's dead as a dodo, whereas before it was really tinny. Already, just with these little bits on it, it just kills the rattles straight away. That's 50-60 quid's well spent, I'm telling you now. So before the wiring and the insulation goes in and things like that, yeah, well worth doing. So I'm just going to hit it with a roller now. Just flatten it all out a wee bit, not too much. Don't want to take away the bubbles and things like that on it, but just want to make sure it's fixed properly. But yeah, you don't want to overkill with it really. I probably have done a little bit too much on some of the panels already, but just enough, I think. Even on the roof, I mean, yeah, from what it was, yeah, chuffed to bits with that. Yeah, dodo mat, definitely recommend that.